Hello, fifth graders. Today we have our third video lesson, and our grammar theme is indefinite pronouns. Our lesson objectives. You'll be able to understand the meaning of indefinite pronouns and use indefinite pronouns in the sentence. So how do you think? When do we use indefinite pronouns? Here is the answer. We use indefinite pronouns to talk about people, things, and places which we don't name. So look at this table. There are three categories: places, people, and things. Don't worry, I'm going to explain everything step by step. Just take a look. Everywhere, everyone, everybody, everything. Nowhere, no one, nobody, nothing. Somewhere, someone, somebody, something. Anywhere, anyone, anybody, anything. So, there are four indefinite compound pronouns: every, no, some, and any. Let's start with every. Every to describe all places, people, and things. Everyone likes chocolate. That means all people like chocolate. But when we use the indefinite pronoun, everyone, we use it as a third singular person. That's why we add s at the end of the verb. Everywhere closes at 8 p.m. Everywhere means all places close at 8 p.m. For categories here, for places, everywhere for people, everyone, everybody, they have the same meaning, so you just can interchange them. Things, everything. No, to describe a place, person, thing that does not exist. No one likes him or nobody likes him. There is nothing in the room. For places, nowhere, for people, no one or nobody, things, nothing, right? Okay. The next one, some. To describe an unknown place, person, or thing. For example, someone drank my tea. I know that a person drank my tea, but actually I don't know who is that person. The shopping mall is somewhere in the city. I know that the shopping mall is in the city, but I don't know where exactly it is. That's why I use here indefinite pronouns with compound some, right? For places, somewhere, people, someone or somebody, and things, something. Next one is any, to describe and specify or non-specific range of places, people, and things. We use any in negative and questions. She doesn't have anyone to trust. Here's the negative sentence. Okay, is there anything wrong, Professor? It is a question, right? So can you turn to page, for places, anywhere, for people, anyone, anybody, and things, anything. Turn to page 100 of the class book. Okay, let me share the screen. 100, okay. Our main characters of our book, Chip and Professor. So, first of all, listen and please answer this question. How does Professor feel and why? So let's start to listen.
Listen and read. How does Professor feel? Why?
Oh, there are machines everywhere.
Yes, these are all my old inventions. Oh dear.
Is there anything wrong, Professor?
I never invent anything good. There is something wrong with all of my inventions.
That's not true. Professor, I'm your invention, and there's nothing wrong with me. Here, I made you something to eat.
Oh dear.
Okay, we just have listened to the dialogue, yeah? So, how do you think, guys? How does Professor feel? Okay, yes, right, you are. He's unhappy. Why? So he never invents anything good, right? That's why he is unhappy. In this dialogue, we have some indefinite pronouns. So let's underline them together. So here, the first one, everywhere. Okay. Anything, because it's a question. Negative one, invent anything good. Something. Nothing. And something again. Okay, good. So let's move on. There is also like grammar box. You have to read at home, this grammar box. And let's go to exercise number 3, page 100. Read and circle. So here we have to choose one of the two options. Has someone or anyone seen my keys? Look at this. There's a question mark. As you know, in negative and question sentences, we use anyone, anything, or anywhere. That's why we pick this one. The next, put your money somewhere or everywhere. How do you think? Which one is correct? How do you think? If I just put here somewhere or everywhere, everywhere means all places. Is it safe to put money in all places? No, of course not. The correct answer is, let me do this, wait a minute. Somewhere, okay. We've got anything or everything we need for our holiday. Look at this. We've got, is it the negative sentence? No. Is it the question? No. That's why we use here everything. We've got everything, all things we need for our holiday. No one or anyone wants to go to the beach in the rain. How do you think? Who wants to go to the beach in the rain? Of course, no one. He looked everywhere or nowhere, but he couldn't find his watch. He looked in all places, right? So that means everywhere. That means all places. I'm bored. I haven't got anything or nothing to do. Look at this. I haven't here. Negative sentence. That's why we use anything. I hope everything's clear. Your home task is on page 84 of your workbook, exercises 1, 2, and 3. So see you. I'll check your homework on online session. Goodbye.